Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class of Building Construction Organization and Management. In this class, we will study the overview of construction schedule management. The construction schedule is the key content of the construction organization design. It serves as the basis for controlling construction progress, duration, and other activities. Whether the schedule is reasonable directly affects construction speed, cost, and quality. Therefore, all activities involved in the construction organization design should be arranged centered on the construction schedule. The class mainly includes the definition of construction schedule management and the methods and measures of construction schedule management. First is to clarify the definition of construction schedule management. Construction schedule management refers to activities such as planning, organizing, directing, coordinating, and controlling, carried out by the contractor to achieve the predetermined schedule goals. In other words, within the limited construction duration, the activities to formulate the optimal construction schedule and during the implementation of the schedule to continuously monitor the schedule and the actual project progress. Comparing the actual situation with the planned arrangement, if there are deviations, there is a need to analyze the causes and the degree of impact on the construction duration, then formulate the necessary adjustment measures. If the original plan still cannot be implemented after taking measures, it is necessary to adjust or revise the original schedule, then to implement according to the new schedule. In this way, during the implementation of the schedule, to continuously check and adjust until the project completion acceptance. The general goal of construction schedule management is to ensure the realization of the established target construction duration of the construction project, or appropriately shorten the construction duration on the premise of ensuring construction quality without increasing the actual construction cost. Next, let's study the methods and measures of construction schedule management. First, methods of construction schedule management. The main methods for construction project schedule control are planning, control, and coordination. Planning refers to defining the overall schedule control objectives and the sub-schedule control objectives of the construction project and formulating its schedule. Control refers to, throughout the implementation of the construction project, comparing the actual construction progress with the scheduled progress when deviations occur, taking timely measures to adjust. Coordination refers to coordinating the schedule relationships among units, departments, and working groups related to the construction progress. Second, the measures for construction schedule management. Schedule control mainly includes organizational measures, economic measures, technical measures, contractual measures, management measures, and information management measures, etc. Organizational measures mainly refer to assigning personnel for schedule control at all levels, including defining specific tasks and staff responsibilities, establishing an organizational system for schedule control, breaking down the project, stages of progress, and contractual goals according to the structure of the construction project, determining the schedule goals, developing a system of construction goals, formulating a work system for schedule control, such as inspection time, methods, coordination of meeting time and participants, etc., conducting analysis and forecasting of factors affecting the schedule. Economic measures mainly involve formulating resource demand plans that align with the schedule and implementing financial incentives to expedite construction, specifically include promptly handle the procedures for project advance payment and progress payment, charge liquidated damages for construction delays, provide compensation for emergency acceleration work, provide rewards for completing the project ahead of construction duration, etc. Technical measures refer to adopting scientific methods to formulate construction schedules, determining the general schedule goals and sub-schedule goals of the project, reviewing the scientific validity and feasibility, and conducting strict control during the implementation process, also adopting network scheduling method and other scientific and applicable scheduling methods, using computers to dynamically control the project schedule, and conducting scientific technical reviews of the construction organization schedule to facilitate timely monitor and revision. Contractual measures refer to adopting measures such as phased contracting and advanced construction to shorten the construction duration, ensuring the construction duration of each construction contract is consistent with the schedule, clarifying the construction duration and progress requirements in the contract, and specifying corresponding reward and punishment measures to prevent construction duration delays. For example, in an employer-contractor agreement includes the clauses related to construction duration and progress. During the tendering process, the employer encourages the contractor to accelerate progress by offering preferential schedule terms. Detailed construction records should be kept, and all documents properly archived, especially drawings and data related to design changes, to help identify the causes of progress variations during project implementation and enable prediction and correction of future schedules. Management measures refer to actions taken by higher-level authorities or leaders who use their administrative position and authority to guide, coordinate, inspect, and evaluate the construction progress by issuing schedule directives, and to control progress through incentives, supervision, etc. Information management measures refer to continuously collecting relevant data on the actual construction progress, conducting collation and statistics, and compare them with the scheduled progress, and regularly providing comparison reports to the employer. Now it can be completed through computer information systems to achieve the digitization of project management. Let's summarize this class now. This class first introduced the basic concepts of construction schedule management. The schedule management is a dynamic cycle process. The measures mainly include organizational measures, management measures, economic measures, and technical measures. Hope everyone can understand and apply what we covered today. That's all for this class. Goodbye, everyone.